differentiation, which is what we're really looking at here, it's getting a good open-ended question that all children have access to, that children can show us what they know through what they write, say, do and draw. So at the moment, I've now assessed by what I've heard them say. We haven't written yet, and we're not using concrete materials in this lesson, so I can't assess them by what they do. I won't step in and intervene because this lesson isn't about the teaching and learning. This would be my first lesson of the week where I'm looking at, well, where are they at? This is my observational assessment. The second layer to this lesson is I'm setting that quality learning environment. I'm sending the message to the children what my expectation is. I value your talking. I'll give you an explicit time frame. I value your thinking. We're going to talk about the language. That will then become second nature to them. So then once we start using all our concrete materials with our number tracks and our hundreds charts, they will just automatically start talking. So we're looking at working mathematically. If we're talking about the New South Wales syllabus and our processes there, we saw communicating. We heard conceptual language. It's double 5. We heard symbolic language. 5 plus 5 equals 10. A lot of the children were also reflecting, so they were reflecting on their thinking. Oh, so if 10 was 1 more than 9, then 100, that's 1 more than 99. So that's reflecting and then applying that strategy into a new situation. So that process of applying. So we've looked at communicating, reflecting and applying a strategy. Questioning is our other process, and that's what they're really doing. But it's so quick and informal, we've captured them there.